Okay, so this is the Google Earth standalone version. This is Google Earth Pro, and it's more of a GIS, geographic information system application. Down the left, we can turn off various layers. Let's just see what we've got. So this is Huddersfield and the university campus. Just scrolling out, press shift and rotate. Okay, so press shift and rotate again. We can turn off, I've turned off a few things, borders and labels. Country borders, as we zoom in we get county borders, although there's a missing line between Lancashire and Yorkshire here, so I'm not too sure what's going on. Places, photos. Photos is interesting. These are photos that people have put in to Google Earth, and as you get closer, more and more photos appear. We also have place markers, Huddersfield, Kirklees Council. I guess there's some pictures of campus here. This is Firth Street, Spark Jones. This is a new Barbara Hepworth building. Looking at Spark Jones. Okay, so you can, as individuals, put your own photos on there. What's interesting? I'm going to press Shift. I'm just going to scroll in, press Shift, and just view in 3D. I'm going to turn board. Oops. Oh yeah, these you can get different layers, sort of granularity by opening these. Turn photos of places. Someone has made 3D models, and you can turn these on. You can see there's one here. This is the multi-storey car park. This is the research centre. And what is interesting for the campus is this one here. This is what used to be the old sports centre. In location, I'm assuming it's in the right location. It is the old buildings on top of the picture of the current satellite imagery. So we can turn that on and off. You can see the current imagery, and then someone has modelled these buildings on top. And I think this one here was the very first building. It was a listed building. That was the very first building at the development of Huddersfield University. So let's just see where we are. So the other thing that I want to show you is here is the Barbara Hepworth building, brand new. This is Spark Jones. We've got a time bar here, and we can go back to various points at which here's the building of Barbara Hepworth. This is when the site was cleaned. This would be when Broadbents was still here. So we can go back around about 20 years. And you can see here more clearly the 3D buildings that someone has put in there. So if we take those out, and see the campus a little more now, sort of in 2002. So that's interesting. There's also a night ability seat at night. I haven't quite worked out how that works, but you can animate through a sightseeing tour, which again I haven't done yet. I'll sort out on another movie. But you can have a sightseeing tour a bit like the Google Earth projects from the web version, where you zoom in and out and around and have text and imagery and the like. And what is this? So you can see Earth, sky, and sort of the solar system. So that's a sort of a quick run through. More later.